Hi, my name is Milena Copeland, and I am your new English teacher. This class is called ESL 302. ESL means English as a Second Language. During this class, we are going to have a lot of fun together, and we're going to be using an app or website called Canvas. Today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about navigating your way around Canvas and how to get started for our class. This is Canvas. And this right here is called the navigation menu. You can click on Home, which gets you to the home page of our class. And as you can see on the home page, we have all these red buttons. See where it says Module 1, Course Info, Resources. The course info is the course information and has things like the rules, the plan for our class, how to use Canvas, many important bits of information that you will need for this class. Resources will help you with things that you need from the school, things like services. And then each module is like a chapter in a book, but we're not using a book, we're using the computer. So we use modules. And every module will be 1 week long. So for week 1, you'll click on module 1. For week 2, you'll click on module 2. Let's take a look at module 1. In module 1, and in all the modules, we start off with an introduction. And in that introduction, you will see a video, and you will also see our student learning objectives. In the student learning objectives, you will read what you will be learning that week. As you go through the module, you will read the page and click next. And if there are videos, then make sure you watch the videos. For some of the pages, you will see that there is an assignment due, some kind of work you must do. Every week we have a discussion, and the discussions are required. So you need to make sure that you make that your first priority, to talk with your classmates. It's a great way to practice communicating. As you read the directions and as you read the way that we will be grading, you will see that on every page we have something called a rubric. If you click on these 3 dots right here, then you can see the rubric. Let's take a look. This shows you how you will be getting your points or your grades. And that's important because you want to make sure you know what you need to do to get a perfect score. And that should be your goal. For many of your assignments, you can resubmit multiple times to get more points if you are unhappy with your score and your grade. Let's X out of this and let's take a look at how you submit your discussion comments. So after you read all the questions about the discussion, make sure you answer them by clicking right here where it says reply. Here you see my example to the answer, and I will give you an example discussion paragraph for each assignment so you can look and see what I did and do it yourself. Now take a look and see how I submitted pictures. You can do that too. So you'll click on reply and then you'll start typing your answer. Hello, my name is, and then you put your name. You might say Maria or Jose. If you want to put a picture, you can click on this button right here that says embed picture. And then there are multiple ways to do that. You can use a website and put the URL. You can click on Canvas, and if you can click on Canvas, then you can upload by clicking Upload File from your phone or your computer. And then when you're done, you can click Update. But I'm going to cancel out of that right now. Let's take a look again at this navigation menu. So we've looked at Home, we've looked at Modules. Another button that you can look at is the syllabus. That's the plan for our class. You can read all about our class by clicking the syllabus right here. You can click grades to see your grades and discussions to see the required discussions you have each week. This button right here is for announcements. For announcements, I will be making one every single week. So make sure you read the announcements. It has all the work you need to do and special directions. One of the most important things, though, is ways to contact me, your teacher, Malena. So if you click on Home and then you click on Course Info, you will see right here it says Contact Instructor or Communication Plan. So if you click on that, you will be able to send me an email just by clicking on that link where my name is. Also, you can text me. If you click right there, you can sign up for an app called Remind, and that's how we can communicate back and forth. You can also send me an email through the inbox right here. We will have a lesson on writing emails in case you don't know how to do that. If you click on courses right here, you'll see all your courses in case you have many classes, and you'll just pick our class each time. Thanks, and I'll see you and have a wonderful time in my class this semester. Bye-bye now.